All right, boys, welcome back to the channel. Right away, as you can see, we have full TP. This is gonna be a little trade recap on how I caught 190. Well, not 194. We caught 182 points today on live, and we're just gonna talk about price and what I saw going into the morning. Obviously, going into the day, we know that we took out Asia lows. We still have London lows, London highs, and Asia highs to take out. Usually when we do take out one low, I would want us to take out London lows and then make a move towards highs, or the other way, we take out highs and then make a move towards lows. As you know, liquidity trades from liquidity, like from liquidity to liquidity. That's how price moves. So once we already took out London, Asia lows before market even opened, I knew that two of things are gonna happen. Either we're gonna take out these lows and go towards highs, or we're gonna take out these highs and go towards lows. And if that's the case, we're gonna catch the perfect move and we're gonna bank. So going into today, obviously, the first couple minutes of the market, I would have this 5 minute marked out right here just to see how we do around this gap and also around London highs. And as you can see, as soon as market opened, we were just pumping, and we took out London highs in the first 5 minutes of the market. And then followed by a somewhat of a retracement that we saw. And if you go on the 1 minute, this is where I saw the weakness for a potential long entry towards Asia highs. I was looking at this gap right up here and see if he ever closed above it. And if he did, we would get a entry to go long. But as you can see, we targeted this gap and we respected this gap pretty well. We rejected it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times without hitting Asia highs. Obviously, everybody wanted to take out the highs, and we did not. So after we did see that, we saw these huge sells coming in from the market, and that basically told me that I think we are ready to reverse, because on the move up, this was the short that I was targeting. This was the gap that I was targeting. This gap started at 925 and it has a 930 candle and the 935 candle. So this basically tells you the whole story already of what happened in the market. And as you know, that we rejected these Asia highs, we took out London highs. Ideally would want to take out Asia highs, but we didn't, and we started coming back down. So what I did was I was just waiting for my model. And if you guys are new to the channel, if it's to the short side, hold on, there's like a fire extinguisher or like an ambulance outside. Whatever. If you guys are new to the channel, basically my model consists of a 5 minute or a 15 minute gap, which first mark checked. We had to take out some sort of liquidity, also checked, and we have a bias. Right now, the bias will be short. So we have all of that checked. Now we're just waiting for the entry, and the entry is a 1 minute closure below the 50% mark of the gap, a retest back up to the 50% mark, and continuation. I wait for the continuation. I wait for the retest to get the best fill possible. This fill was about 700. Obviously, like, I usually wait for a candle closure, but something just told me that we are really strong in price. So I got in at 24,700. I had my stops at the top of this gap for about 41 points and full TP at London lows. Dude, I don't know what is going on. I hope everybody's good. But quickly, we were already up 34 points. We did see the retracement, so a lot of people got filled on the retracement. And after that, I mean, we just sprinted all towards lows. This trade, we saw a total of 11 points of drawdown. We were risking about 41 points to gain about 183 points. So this is like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4 RR. Obviously, me, I didn't hold all the way throughout. I didn't need to. I'm in with one mini. So I saw about 40, 50 points, and I called it there. That's about $1,000 for me. I'll take it. Working on my selects, my Tradeify selects. If you guys do need the best accounts on the market, obviously Tradeify, they allow you up to 5 accounts. Right now, I'm currently trading the select plans where, after you pass it, you get the choice to either have daily payouts or weekly payouts. I think I'm leaning towards the weekly payouts, but, both are just as good. It's literally up to your preference. And it's just crazy because no other firm is allowing that for you to literally choose daily or weekly payout. So I don't know why you guys wouldn't try Tradify. 183 points. Called it a day after that. After we see all the objectives get hit, obviously the last thing that we didn't get hit was Asia highs. But I mean, we're probably just gonna continue down lower for the rest of the day. Let's see what we're doing in real time. Yeah, I mean, we might come up and take out these highs. This is the last level of liquidity left. We might just chop. Who knows? But all I know is today we did catch the best move, and it was about 182 points to the downside. If you guys catch that, please make sure you give me a comment to see if you did catch it, if you were in the stream or anything like that. As you know, I did start a new Discord, and it's all free. I'm gonna link it in the description. You can just join up. It's just a community base now. Obviously there's a lot of education there, and I want to showcase that a little bit. If you go right here, this is a road to profitability. As you guys know, I was working on that for the longest. Each section has about 10 to 12 videos of just nothing but education, and it's all done for free. For example, you go right here, you get like the read through, but then you also get the video
Road to Probability. Right now
of
it is
me
12:18
explaining,
a.m.
and I did a video for every single lesson. So I had to make about 42 videos, and I did it all for free. So I would really appreciate if you guys check that out for me. Just click the link in the bio. It's a free Discord. We have a good time there. We catch moves, talk about life, and it's just a community, just a great community, because trading is something that is super lonely, and you can get easily sidetracked if you're not around the like-minded people. And in my Discord, I feel like we have a lot of like-minded people that is all about, gains, both with trading and outside. So if you guys want to do that, link is in bio. Make sure you guys use code Zaeem if you ever want to get any accounts with Tradify. It'll give you 30% off select accounts and all accounts. But if you want to get the 150K select accounts, you get 40% off. And that is a deal I would not miss out on. The deal is on till the end of February. And I also do giveaways in the Discord. So if you ever want to, win a free account or so, you can always join up. But other than that, I'm just going to wrap it up here. I got more content to film, so I'm going to go do that. But I'll be back with a new trade recap soon. I'll see ya.